Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a update on Jay Smith. And if you guys don't know Jay Smith is a Jamaican that was a part of the TLC show 90 Day Fiancé. And people have been wondering what have happened to him and what is going on with his case, because he also launched a GoFundMe stating that he needed financial support to get an attorney for his case because he was facing deportation. So let's get into this story. It says, there has been a shocking new development. 90 Day Fiancé star Jay Smith, full name Conroy St. Christopher Smith, have been found guilty of violating his protection from abuse on July 17th. And now his estranged wife, Ashley Smith, Nee Martin, says he will be deported. Ashley and Jay's friend both share an update with In Touch exclusively about his case, revealing that he currently remains in ICE custody. And she did a piece with In Touch exclusive, so that means she got paid for this. Wow, how low can it go? To get you up to speed, the Upper Island Police first investigated a report of the PFA violation on July 2nd following a social media post made by Jay. It is unclear which post was in violation. And the post was Jay stating that he is going to expose Ashley. It is alleged that Ashley's whole TLC storyline that she has lupus is fake, and she lied about that. She don't have no lupus, and that is what Jay was talking about, that he is going to expose her, and that is why she reported him to the police, saying that he violated his FPA, because the information or alleged information is that Ashley did not want that information to hit the streets because she was making a whole lot of money claiming she had lupus, doing speaking engagements and all this other stuff. And if Jay had exposed her, it would have put a stop to all that money she was having from doing those engagements. Jay, 21, then appeared before a court on Wednesday, July 17th for a scheduled hearing. According to new court documents, Jay was found guilty of violating the PFA, and there was a penalty imposed. Kayla O'Brien, the friend currently running Jay's Instagram page, now revealed he was sentenced to 1 day and a $100 fine for violating over the Instagram post. The time has already been served since he has been in there 2 weeks already, she told In Touch exclusively. Ashley also shared an update about Jay's case, revealing that he was sent back to ICE detention center where he will wait to be deported. Due to criminal charges, I am told he will not get to go in front of an immigration judge, Ashley exclusively revealed to In Touch. As far as what's to come, the mother of two says Jay will be deported, but immigration takes their sweet time. It could be a few months to over a year. While Ashley says he will be sent back to Jamaica, In Touch has not heard from officials as to whether or not he will be deported. As we previously confirmed, Jay turned himself in to Upper Island Police Department in Pennsylvania on July 3rd. The reality star was quickly taken into ICE custody because he's not an American citizen. Kayla has been showing support to Jay throughout his legal woes having recently started a GoFundMe campaign in order to raise money from fans and followers to help free him from immigration detention. She also revealed how TSC alum was coping with his situation in an exclusive statement shared with In Touch before his latest court hearing. He said it's hard in lockup because he has never done anything like this before, Kayla shared. In Touch, your website sucks. He said sometimes you feel like you're going crazy, but he has been able to stay so positive due to the amazing support of his family and friends, Kayla added. People also have been alleging that Kayla is the girl that Jay slept with because they said Jay cheated on Ashley a few months after they got married, and Kayla is the one that he cheated with. I think Kayla is about the same age group as Jay, and you know how people stay. They will say anything, but I'm not quite sure. Kayla also noted how it's been a wild emotional ride, but he is most definitely hanging in there. So that is a update on Jay Smith's case. His fiance or ex-wife claims that he will be deported because he was found in violation of criminal charges. So he will be deported, and as you guys know, any interaction that immigrants have with police can actually cost them their citizenship, if you guys didn't know. So Jay, I more than likely think, is gonna go back to Jamaica, and he was stating that he was afraid to go back to Jamaica because people are going to think that he has money and he is rich and all these things. Quite frankly, no one cares if he goes back to Jamaica, and no one will be caring if he was on television or not. People will probably make fun of him because I'm Jamaican. I know they will probably make fun of him how he went and made a whole fool of himself on national television, not thinking anything that will come of it. But I also blame the wife. Taking up a 21-year-old and your 30-something-year-old from Jamaica is a recipe for disaster. Okay, there are some 21-year-olds that are mature and ready for that lifestyle, but Jay didn't seem like that one. And I don't know if she didn't see all the red flags, but I sure did, just from these spoilers and just from watching 1 to 2 episodes of the whole 90-day fiance thing. Deportation is not nice, especially in Jamaica. There's a lot of stigma that comes along with it, but Jay have a good family backup. As they said, Jay's mom was supposed to actually file for him and have him come to the United States. So essentially Ashley ruined his life because he can come up here when his filing is finished because of the whole deportation case. That's just crazy to me. It's better off if she had just said that, Jay, you need to go home because this is not working out. I'm not gonna put in for you to get your green card, whatever. To me personally, that would have been better than actually ruin somebody's life, because when he goes to Jamaica, people are probably not gonna want to talk to him. People not going to want to associate with him, and it's probably going to be very hard for him to find a job. Being a deportee in Jamaica is very, very real, and he thinks that people are going to think he has money. No one cares about that in Jamaica. You're just going to have the whole stigma of being a deportee, and it's not a good look, and it's not easy. There's a whole lot of videos about deportees that go back to Jamaica on YouTube. You can do research for yourself, but that isn't me. If I was in that case, I would just tell him to go back home, because I'm not gonna put in for your green card, and I wouldn't and get a divorce. But that's just me, okay? A lot of these women take these young men up here thinking that they can use them and control them and hold a green card over their head, and when they can't control them and all of that, it turns into this. Anyways, that is the update on Jay's case. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do you think that actually ruined his life, and he could have been okay if he had waited on his mom to file for him, and him coming up that way through his mom than actually marrying this lady. Do you think that he is to be blamed because he showed his ass on national TV? Do you think that he needs to be deported? And do you think that people should donate to his GoFundMe page to help him out with his deportation proceedings? What are your thoughts on all of those? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.